quick question: which video would you keep watching? This one or this? And if you chose the smooth, professional video, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to reveal why smooth transitions are the secret sauce of professional editing and how you can use them to instantly level up your videos. Even if you're just starting out, let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and I'm here to help you create videos that not only look amazing, but also feel amazing to your audience. Whether you're a beginner, a student editing your first project, or someone trying to make their YouTube videos stand out, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into smooth transitions, what they are, why they matter, and how to master them. I'll also share some of my favorite editing tricks to make your videos flow seamlessly. By the end of this video, you will not only understand why smooth transitions are crucial, but you will have actionable tips to apply them to your own projects. Ready? Let's get started. Let's be honest, our attention spans these days are shorter than ever. If your video feels clunky or disjointed, there's a high chance your viewers will click away. Smooth transitions help keep your audience engaged by creating a natural flow. They make your video feel like one continuous story instead of a series of random clips. I once helped a friend edit their first vlog. The content was great, but their cuts were so abrupt that it felt more like a slideshow than a story. By simply adding smooth transitions, like dissolves and motion cuts, we turned their chaotic footage into something that felt professional and cohesive. The difference was night and day. Transitions aren't just about moving from one clip to another, they're a storytelling tool. Think of them as the glue that holds your narrative together. For example, in a travel vlog, a zoom transition from one landmark to another can convey movement and excitement. In a cooking video, a quick swipe transition can show the progression from raw ingredients to a finished dish. Your goal is to guide your viewers on a journey, and smooth transitions are the road signs that keep them on track. Here's the thing: anyone can hit record on a camera, but it's the editing that sets professionals apart. Smooth transitions instantly elevate your video's quality. They show that you paid attention to the details, which makes your content more enjoyable to watch and more shareable. Think about your favorite YouTubers or filmmakers. Do their videos ever feel clunky or awkward? Probably not. That's because they've mastered the art of smooth transitions. And now you're going to learn how to do the same. Now that we know why smooth transitions matter, let's go over some popular types of transitions and when to use them. Each one has its own vibe, so it's important to choose the right one for your story. *1 The simple cut. Let's start with the simplest transition, the cut. A cut is when one clip ends and the next begins with no effects in between. It's clean, it's fast, and it's perfect for most types of content. Think tutorials, interviews, or fast-paced montages. Just remember, with great cuts comes great responsibility. If your timing is off, even a simple cut can feel jarring. To the fade. Fades are smooth, subtle, and often used to signal the beginning or end of a scene. For example, a fade to black is a great way to close a video, giving your audience a moment to breathe and reflect before moving on. 3 The dissolve. A dissolve is when one clip gradually blends into the next. This transition is perfect for showing the passage of time or connecting to related scenes. It's subtle but super effective in storytelling. For motion transitions, pan, zoom, and swipe. Motion transitions like pans, zooms, and swipes are dynamic and energetic. They're great for travel vlogs, action sequences, or any video where you want to create a sense of movement. Just make sure they match the pacing of your video. Too much motion can feel chaotic. 5 Creative transitions, masking, glitches, and custom effects. Finally, we have the creative transitions like masking, glitch effects, or custom animations. These are perfect for creators who want to stand out and add a unique flair to their videos. But a word of caution, use these sparingly. Too many flashy effects can overwhelm your audience and distract from your story. Alright, now let's get hands-on. I'm going to walk you through creating smooth transitions step by step. No matter what software you're using, the principles are the same. 1. Match your clips. Before you even add a transition, make sure your clips flow naturally. Look for movements, colors, or angles that align between the two shots. 2. Use built-in transitions. Most editing software comes with built-in transitions. In Adobe Premiere Pro, for example, you can drag across, dissolve, or dip to black onto your timeline. Adjust the duration for a smoother effect. 3. Add keyframes for custom transitions. If you want more control, use keyframes to create custom effects. You can keyframe a zoom, a rotation, or even a mask to make your transitions unique. For timing is key. A good transition is all about timing. Play around with the duration until it feels natural. If it's too quick, it'll feel rushed. Too slow, and it'll drag. 5. Don't forget audio. Pair your visual transitions with sound effects or music. A whoosh, a click, or even a subtle fade in the audio can make your transitions feel more polished. Before we wrap up, let's quickly go over some common mistakes to avoid when using transitions. 1. Overusing effects. Throwing in too many flashy effects can overwhelm your audience. Less is more. Use a few transitions that fit your story. To using random transitions, consistency is key. Don't mix and match too many transition styles in one video. It can feel chaotic. 3. Ignoring audio. Remember, transitions are about the full experience. Always pair your visuals with matching audio cues, and there you have everything you need to know about why smooth transitions matter and how to use them effectively. Remember, transitions aren't just about looking good, they're about telling a story, keeping your audience engaged, and making your videos stand out. Now I want to hear from you. What's your favorite type of transition? Or what's one transition you have always wanted to try? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you don't miss any future editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy editing!